What's going on, everybody? So right now we're doing a bass test of the new sound system and setup that I just got finished doing. We are using Ryan Little's music. So we got 1, 2, 3 cameras set up to record the sound, and we got my phone that we're going to record the sound. So you're going to hear how it sounds with actually 4 different cameras. So quick overview. We hooked up a switch for the subwoofers. So with the press of a button, we can turn the subs on and off. We got 2 1300 watt Sony Explode subs, and we got a 1400 Sony Explode amp. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is going to be a test with the doors closed and the windows up. Actually, you know what? Let's start the car first. That way, we're charging the battery. I'll wait till the exhaust. Oh, it doesn't really matter. We can play it now. That's volume 10. So a big issue is it actually blew the seals of the base, so we need to reseal it. That's why you hear that vibration going on, which is really annoying. So yeah. So if I hold it, that's volume 10. So with the next camera, so yeah, the issue is right here, the seal's blown right in here. I need to put another screw through it, so if I hold it, you know, you won't get that like horrible sound. So windows up. I'm gonna have to hold it again. Let's find another song. So this is pop.
This is a very little production.
Yeah. And watch this, guys. Just like that.